goals, okay? That's the first step, setting your goals. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Destiny Tiana, and today we are back with another video, okay? So y'all, today's video is going to be about how to make a vision board, manifesting and creating and setting those goals for 2022. Y'all, today is December 27th, which means that we only have a few days to the new year. And let's just be real, we got to get some type of structures, you know, some goal setting, some things, you know, so that we can have and make 22 a good year for us, okay? So before we go ahead and get started with that video, let's go ahead and go over some housekeeping rules. If you are new, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny Tiana, and I do beauty, vlog, and lifestyle type videos. So if you're interested in that, y'all want to see what I be doing and how I be doing it, go ahead and subscribe, y'all. Join the family. And also, y'all, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you are notified every single time that I post on my channel. If you want to see more of me, duh, why not? Like, what are y'all doing? Okay? So now that you guys have done all that, also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms down in the description bar below. You guys, all my social medias are down there. You can DM me, have any questions, whatever, connect with me that way through my social medias. And once y'all have done all that, let's go ahead and continue this video. Y'all, right now I do have my, y'all already know, my handy dandy notebook. Anytime that I'm giving informative information, whatever, I have my notebook here. This is my baby. I write everything. That's kind of how I scope out my videos if I'm giving information. So I do have all my everything. I have the information that I want to give on my notebook. So we're gonna go ahead. If I'm looking down, y'all, that's why, because I have took some notes of things that I did want to go over and share with you guys in this video. So we're gonna do that. Also, you guys like my new wig? It's so cute. I know it's cute. I love it. Like I said in my previous video. Also, if you guys have not watched my my natural hair moisture routine, y'all should go ahead and go and check it out. Y'all are really gonna start to see me flourish and do different things with my hair, my videos, my channel itself. So as I stated before, if you guys are interested in that and you guys are wanting to see me flourish and see, you know, my YouTube journey and take this journey with me, always feel free to subscribe, you guys. Y'all gonna have fun here, y'all gonna love it. So go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get started in this video, y'all. So first off, when it comes down to manifestation and manifesting your goals, one of the main things that kind of ties with this whole entire thing is the law of attraction, okay? So basically, for all of you, or for you all that's trying to get into it and not really sure about it, basically, I do have a note because I was trying to, you know, write everything down. But basically, the law of attraction is about fully embodying what you're trying to attract, believing that it is already happening for you, and then allowing it to happen. You are what you think and what you feel, okay? So basically, in a nutshell, it is about attracting the things that you want in your life. It could be physical attraction, it could be digital thinking, feeling. However you feel is what you attract. Like, let me give you our for example. If you go outside today, or you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you're feeling good, everything is good, and for some odd reason, you know, today you're feeling good, you're gonna have a great day. As long as you believe and you feel that day, you're gonna have a really good day. But let's just say you wake up on the good side of the bed, you know you're good this day, but then you turn around and something negative happened. And all day you're dwelling on that same negative thing that just happened to you. Guess what? Your whole day is gonna go to crap. Your whole day. Because you're feeling that negative, so all that negative vibrations is going to come towards you, and now your whole day is ruined because you, instead of you turning that negative thing into a positive, you kept being negative and it turned into an even worse than negative, if that makes sense. So with being that, let's talk about, you know, so that's the first things first, understanding the law of attraction. Once you understand the law of attraction, you will start to really, it will kind of start to really shift your mindset about the things that you want, your goals, and everything around you, you know. The second thing, let's start setting goals for ourselves. You guys, sometimes, I don't know how everyone is, but I can speak for me. If writing things down is really good for me. If I forget things, I'm always writing something down, or even like right here, I have my iPad, you know, I put notes down in my iPad. Like I create little lists for myself when it comes down to me setting my goals, because I know that if I write it down and I look at it a few times, it's gonna happen for me. So I also do that. So back to setting goals. So set goals for yourself. You guys, sometimes we don't set goals for ourselves, so we kind of live our day-to-day life kind of just like going with the wind. But if you start setting goals for yourself, then you know, like, okay, well, December 27th, I know I need to do this. December 20th, long as you set those goals for yourself, you have things to work towards. You have things to be excited about. Like for me, I was gonna go over this last, but right here I have my vision board. I made this whole vision board for myself, and every day that I wake up, I look at my vision board. So I know I have a lot of things on there. There's things I want to travel, me being more strong, me being, living my life to the fullest, things like that is on my vision board. So every day that I wake up, I look at that. Those are my goals. Those are things that, I want to get done. Those are things that I want to achieve in my life. So I go ahead and I put it down on this vision board, and I look at it every morning, every day. I meditate. I think about my goals. I say, okay, what is our next thing? What is our next step? What are we looking forward to? And my vision board, it has it all on there. So I will go over that. So you guys set some goals. Now, I know sometimes people feel like the goals have to be really big goals. They could be small goals, It could be, hey, I want to save $100 in a month. Hey, I want to, buy this new jewelry, these new pair of earrings I got. Hey, I want to have a savings account for my children. Hey, I want to, do this, or I want to do that. Whatever your goals is, set those goals, okay? That's the first step, setting your goals. Once you set your goals, you should go ahead, visualize your goals. Think about them, feel them. Take a time to just dwell on the things that you want. Get excited about it. Kind of have a feel for them so that you know that, like, look, listen, I feel it. I know it's coming. I get the jitters because I don't know about you guys, but about my dreams and my goals, I get excited, y'all. Like I get over the top, like, about my goals, because those are my goals. Those are things that I want to achieve. And I have some pretty big goals, So of course you would want to achieve them. The third thing would be your vision board, you guys. Listen, visualization. Say that again with me. Visualization, okay? Visualizing your goals. So this is where your freaking vision board comes into play, okay? So basically, you can create a vision board either digital, on your iPad. You could do it there, or you could do what I did and create a cost-efficient vision board like me. So basically, you guys, what I did on my vision board is I went to the Dollar Tree. And I probably should have did a clipper or whatever, but it's okay. So I went to the Dollar Tree. This board right here costs $1. It's big, it's gigantic, but it costs $1. I took magazines. I had some old magazines, and I just clipped out things. Girl, I had like 6 or 7 of them. I clipped out things in my vision board. I clipped out things, that would kind of help me visualize the things that I want in my life, or have some type of meaning towards the the goals that I'm trying to achieve. So I'm not gonna go by I'm not gonna go by this step by step, because like I said, it is a visual for me, and I would like for you guys to create your own vision boards. But for here, as you can see, it has 2022. With my vision board, you guys, I went with the more personal touch. So if you could see, in my vision board, I even wrote on mine, like different quotes. I didn't just use things like, these, of course, but I also made some personal, I wrote it down myself, my personal feelings, things that I wanted to achieve personally, affirmations for myself. I even hand wrote some of them to make it more personable for me. But I put all your goals on a vision board. Once you do that, make, realistic things that that you can work towards. Because let's be realistic, if you create a vision board, and it's not something that you're really passionate about, or things that you don't really care, do you really think it's going to happen? No. So make sure that everything that you put on your board is realistic to you, and things that that you can work towards. Like, nothing's going to happen if you just put it on there and like leave it there, but make sure it's things that you can look at every day, things that you really, really want to happen for yourself, things that you can work towards. It could be like one of mine. Let me share. Like, one of my things is, creating good friendships with people. I'm really big on just having good people around me, and, you know, creating really good everlasting friendships. So one of my big things is I want to create memories. I want to have, you know, those friends that are close to me. I want to have everlasting friendships. So that's one on mine. Another one, I have little things on mine that says expect better, you know, beauty, hair growth, health, personal care, having healthy, glowy skin, you know. It's little things like that that are on my board. I also have quotes like, this is the life. We're just getting started. Being wise. Live your life. You know, living deliciously. You know, like living your life to the fullest, to the utmost is one of the things I'm also trying to push forward. So when it comes down to your goals, you guys, only you know the things that you would like to achieve in this life. And I know sometimes it could be very hard because life has its way of taking us on a roller coaster and just riding us all around town, up, down, side by side. But it's about what your goals means to you at the end of the day. Some people may feel like your goals are too big or too small. They're not. They are your goals. You make them your own. You know what you want to achieve. You know how you want your life to live. So you create your goals, set your goals based on that. And also, y'all, take your time. Like, on my vision board, it took me about 4 hours because I took my time and I literally went magazine through magazine on what it is that I wanted. I copied, I pasted, I maneuvered around, I set my board how I would like. Yo, I even have visuals on my iPad for myself. On my screen, I have my card that I want to get next. Or even you could take like little sticky notes and kind of stick them on your door, stick them on your mirror, stick them, you know, write things down on little note cards. You don't have to necessarily do a vision board. It's just you having a visual representation of your goals and the things that you want to achieve. So that concludes the end of my video, you guys. I really hope that y'all like this type of video, this informative video that I did for you guys. If you do enjoy, you know, sit down talks, things like that, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you have done a vision board, I would like to know, you know, give me at least one of your goals. It doesn't have to be anything major, but let me know any of your goals for 2022. And are you guys excited for 2022? Y'all, honestly, I am. I am so ready for 2022, you guys. I just feel like it is going to be one of my greatest years. Because it's just one of those things that, like, you know, you get tired of doing the old things and, you know, you want new comes with just everything around you, you know. So I am very excited for 2022. I really hope that you guys did have a great holiday. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy Kwanzaa also. Let's not forget. So, as I said, this concludes the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.